Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Audi A4. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable AWD transmission. This Audi has less than 72,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.